Once you have been get this descriptive statistics, for example, I just want to take for each of the column, I would like to have a like range of the data, or I need to know the standard deviation, like one standard deviation value. Okay, I just want to know that one, like 68% of the data fall within which range. I just want to know that. One standard deviation means what? We take a mean value, added standard deviation, subtracted a standard deviation. How can we do this one? I have this descriptive statistic output as a table, right? What I will do, I will store that one as a describe or dis, okay, dis, descriptive statistics. I copy this, paste it here. So what happened, we executed, just this table, this entire table stored as a dis. Okay, this entire table stored as a dis. For example, I need a mean of the lot frontage. What we will do is say locate mean of comma, which column it is, lot frontage, right? Like this we can give, we'll get a mean value, right? Similarly, I need to add the like uh, standard deviation for that, means the same thing. I will copy and paste. Instead of mean, I can say std. Here it is given std, right? So we'll get a standard deviation value. Subtract means we'll get a standard deviation, the lower range of the standard deviation. How can we do it for all the columns? I can say for loop I will use feature in continuous. Okay, and there I would like to do this one. Okay, describe, locate this one. Instead of giving a name of the column, I can say general name feature. Here also general name feature. If I do that, it will be done, but it's not printing. Just want to print. I say print. It's done for a one-sided. It's done for a one-sided, and so many decimals we have. We can round it off, like we can say round. Okay, round. Sorry, round this entire calculation, comma, two decimal like this. If I do, let's round it off. It is the left side we have been done. The similarly, I can do it for the right side. Like I just say, comma, print. I just take the same thing. Okay, copy, pasted here. Only we need to subtract, right? Range we got. Okay, in between I need to give something, means what I can do, I can say after this comma, I say 2 comma like this, right? Then again I need to give the feature also, like name of the column also feature comma this one. So name of the feature. Okay, then I can say here comma, within that I will write 60, sorry, 68% data uh, within this range. Okay, like this we can give. Okay, id 68% data within this range, lot front 68% data within this range. Okay, we can give the range. Okay, in case you don't want to give that rounded off, like I can say 0 decimals, I don't want to give any decimals. Okay, like this. Okay, I can say without any decimal. If I do, yeah, I just take it out, right? Like this we can calculate the standard deviation. The same method we can use it for the calculation of the range of the data. Okay, what I will do, same method, I will just take copy paste it. Okay, Here what the feature, every feature we will take, but range of the data is nothing but not these many things. What we need to do here, we need to take a max value minus min value, that will be the range. And I will take out all this, I may not be required all this, right? So I just say round it off this value to round it up, and future data, I say range within that. Okay, range I can take. Okay, like this we can have, like we can separate like which one is a value, like this. Okay, just I have taken, right? I have stored that the output of the descriptive statistics as a DIS, and in DIS I'm just referring a row and column by using a feature and as a column name. The row name is a mean standard deviation here. In this particular case, I have been taken a range like minimum and maximum, the difference I have taken between them. So like this we can calculate the things. Okay, same way we can calculate like what we say interquartile range we can calculate, and by using that interquartile range I can calculate a um, uh, like one more thing what I forgot to say. Yeah, outlier we can check. Okay, when it comes to continuous data, we need to find the outlier. We will do that one outlier identification in a coming session.